Okay, here she is. Oh boy, she's a big girl. Look at that. She's actually strapped down. You can see the straps. She's strapped down to the deck. I'll show you with these come along straps. So I'm guessing that's because there's hurricanes that come around here. Oh boy, this is a big boat. Oh my gosh. I made it. We did it, guys. Check this out. I'm gonna do one more little video of the deck because I haven't even been in the boat yet. I just was looking on the outside. Like, dude, look how big this prop is. Look at this prop compared to my head. Zingaro's prop was just about as big. And, oh, Bill's calling. I'll have to call you back, buddy. Look at one blade is bigger than my head. Oh my gosh. It turns though, look. It kind of sounds funny, but it turns. I can see the cutlass bearing inside here. That's gonna have to be replaced. And then there's one in here that's probably gonna have to be replaced. Let's just see. I mean, oh, it's pretty tight. It's pretty tight. Big prop. I like that. It's a max prop. Apparently the rudder doesn't move, but the paint and the anodes and stuff look pretty good. This one needs to be replaced, and this one needs to be replaced. But I think I'll wait to replace the rest. All of the paint on the boat looks pretty good. Like up here, can you guys see this? All this stuff, it's just a little dusty. So let's go up and see. I'm gonna use the ladder on the boat next to me. I'm gonna turn this around so I can just show you guys. Okay, so the easiest way for me to do this is gonna be like regular video instead of this WhatsApp video, but I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I'm working with here. So it looks to me like most of the deck is pretty bad. It just looks like there's not much left to work with. I mean, maybe, but it's really weird. It's like epoxied in some places, and it just looks like it's been worked on before. There's a few places that show promise, like right here, where it's got a lot of filler left, so I can sand it down a little bit, make it all smooth, and then still seal it. But there's parts where that just doesn't exist. Like, for instance, up here. Like, for instance, right here. This is the forward part. There's like nothing left here. So I'm wondering if I can cut new channels in, or if I want to do that, or what. But that's going to be very strange. It looks like somebody taped it off and just cut it in and then filled it with this epoxy bullshit. Oh my god, this is going to be so much work. And then look at this. This looks like it's veneer. That looks like a piece of veneer that's on plywood. In fact, I'm almost sure that's what it is. So hopefully there's not too much that's been replaced with that veneer plywood bullshit. But ooh, these decks are bad. But other than that, the boat looks pretty good. Mast boot looks fine. Mast looks good. The wind instrument at the top is not turning, but yeah, it's probably expected. All of these lines are going to be toast if they've been out here for 3 years. Yeah, they're toast. But these just look like chase lines. Yeah, these are the running back stays, it looks like. The blocks still look okay. Oh, speaking of blocks, every single thing needs to be greased, and maybe even the bearings replaced. This one's seized. This is not even turning. This still turns, but it scrapes. This one turns, real sticky. And this one actually does turn, but still sticky. So those are gonna have to be rebuilt. Winches as well sound like they haven't been used in 3 years. You can see here. Oh, this one's not too bad. Oh, this one's bad. You can hear it. Do you hear that? Ooh. Well, at least they're turning. Okay, well, I haven't even been in the boat yet, so far, it's about what I expected. Some of the deck needs to be replaced. but some of it can be saved. So, Jesus, dude, this is so much work. I'm hot in here, but look at this. I just opened this, and it is like a new boat in here. This thing is huge, and that's just one of them. I'm gonna open the second one and get some real ventilation in here. Holy shit. This is the best part of the boat. Honestly, favorite part of the boat so far. Other than that, this thing is f***ed up. Look at it. Look at it. Look, just look how messy it is. There's like food everywhere. There's like drinks in the... Oh my God, it's dusty as shit. But, I mean, overall, look how pretty this boat is. It's crazy good. Crazy. It's just so much work. Like all this like veneer. This is probably leaking veneer that needs to be sanded down. And, I mean, it's little shit, but the boat's really dirty. It's missing a piece here. It's missing a, I don't know how that... Maybe it got broken and they just made it out of plywood. But, that's gonna have to be replaced eventually. I think I'll just probably get a rug for it for now. But there's one thing I didn't notice in here was there's a flip-up table. This thing flips up and becomes a table. I don't know where. Maybe outside. Maybe that's for outside. I don't know. The engine looks beautiful. Big engine room. This is a big boat. Check this out. Wow, I'm so hot in here. Oh, you can't see shit because there's no lights. Let me see. No, you can't. I'll put on a light and show you. Woo! Look at this thing. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. This boat is going to be so sick when I'm done with it. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's an oyster. And I can't tell you how much of a difference it makes having these two windows open. That was a great design. Oh, I'm so happy about those. Those are going to come in handy because it's hot as here, and I don't think I can run the AC. It does have AC, but it doesn't. It's keel cooled, so it needs to be in the water. Yeah. So what else? I've got a big mystery box in here. Check this out. This one came as a checked luggage, and it's heavy. It's probably 40 pounds. Could it be hatches? There's one new hatch here. So I'm guessing I've got new hatches for this hatch, and these covers are pretty toast. And then the aft one above the bed. All of these curtains are toast, but my mom sews, so she'll be able to sew new ones, but they're kind of crispy. Some of the headliner needs to be replaced, and I've got new slats for the gangway, and the gangway's huge. And a couple of you guys have told me that it's pretty unsafe to get in and out, but actually there's two big teak handholds here, and here, and you can hold on to the sides of this too. And the gangway looks in great shape. So I was really overwhelmed when I first got to the boat because I was like, oh my God, this is crazy. How am I ever going to be able to do this? But now that I'm kind of compartmentalizing it all, it's going to be a lot of cleanup. And then I'm still seeing battery power, so these Trojan batteries might still be good. There was two solar panels hooked up to them, so they don't look too swollen to me. There's the bank for the engine is swollen, but those batteries look like they might actually be good. So that would be so awesome. That'd save me like probably $1,500, $2,000. Generator needs work. There's a little thing right here that says it needs valve gasket, but the valve gasket's not a big deal. It's not like the head gasket. It just looks dirty and kind of fucked up. But it's a Northern Lights. But from the paperwork that I have, it's been rebuilt in 2012, so it can't have that many hours on it. Last couple things. These look how bad these are. Like this headliner's completely coming down, which isn't a big deal. It's just vinyl. But like, look at how a boat is affected. You can really see it here. You see this? This is just like, this was the hanger for this, and it's just like powder. All this just like this powder coming off of it because it's so messed up. There's a safe in here. I don't have the key to the safe. Let's see if there's anything in it. We'll see if we can find the key. She told me where the key was, but it's not there. So yeah, wow. This thing's ridiculous, but I think it's gonna work, man. It's got a lot of new stuff too. Like I found there's new switches for the deck from Lumar too, expensive stuff. There's new toilet plungers, new macerator pump, which I'm definitely gonna need. There's gonna be a couple new hatches. The sails look like they're in pretty good shape. They feel like they're in good shape, and this is a Dacron tri-radial cut sail with like a special Dacron. So it looks like he's got some good sails on it. This feels like it's in really good shape. Thank God. They said there might be a tear on the main, but it would be so cool not to have to buy sails. So other than the decks, I think everything else is all... Oh, I found the carpet too. All right, guys, I had to go get a juice because I'm very dehydrated. I've been sweating my butt off today and I was getting irritable because I was so dehydrated. It just pissed rain here. I mean, like torrential, tropical downpour for about 20 minutes. And then now it's all sunny and nice again. This will get some getting used to. I can't wait to get in the water. It looks so nice here. I got electricity and water hooked up from the marina, but I have no. It's like 150 feet away from the boat, so I got to go to the store, and I think I'm gonna have to walk and get a hose and get a cord so I can at least get some shit done. Good parts are that the batteries were on a tender and the tender's still blinking. So I don't want to switch the barrel switch for the batteries yet, but it looks to me like the house bank might be okay, which would be so cool. And then I need to get a multimeter just to check everything before I turn it on. So looks like I'm going to be walking to the store, which is about half an hour walk away. All right, new update soon. What's up, my people? So I got zero sleep last night. That's why I haven't really been talkative today. The mosquitoes here are horrible, and I have no fans, I have no power. I finally got a 9-volt battery for the multimeter, and the batteries are down to like 16 volts from 24. So they all have signs of bulging, so they're done. There's two 12-volt batteries that are linked together that have a combined voltage of like 20. So maybe I can save those. We'll see. But those are AGMs. So there's 2 AGMs, 8 Trojans. Yeah, I know I could probably like figure out some way to get a sponsor, but I'm really just not in the headspace for that, dude. I don't even know what to do next. I'm kind of overwhelmed. I just want to sleep, to tell you the truth. I got some mosquito netting and that fan today. Hopefully that'll keep them off. Dude, it was horrible last night. I didn't sleep at all. I got maybe an hour. Yeah, so today I'm trying to figure out, like, put a list together and see exactly what needs to happen. If I don't sleep tonight, if the mosquitoes are still bad, if I can't get to sleep, I'm not gonna sleep on the boat anymore. I am wrecked from traveling. I like flew 12 hours and then worked my ass off yesterday and then found that mass problem and then didn't get any sleep, and now I'm done. But I've got power to the boat. This is my power. I made this. And then I've already got a fan. My little fan. But so far I don't have any way to cook or have 12 volts. So that sucks. I'll check in with you guys again probably tomorrow. Check this out. I feel so much better today. I finally got sleep. I was being a little cranky yesterday. So check it out. I am filming today. This is going to be the tour day. Kimmy and I tried to do a live stream last night and it just sucked. I tried both on my phone and on the marina Wi-Fi and it's not happening. So for now, what I'm going to give to you guys and to the Kickstarter is a tour via video instead of live, just because it's going to be frustrating for everybody. We were doing it and there was like one frame every 4 seconds or something like that. It's just not going to be a good tour. You can hear what I say, but you just can't go on the tour with me. So maybe I'll do like a premiere. I don't know if I can do that. No, I can't do that.
yeah, I'm just gonna have to put out a video and let you guys see it and ask me questions. But yeah, I had a really good night's sleep. I bought a fan that kept the mosquitoes off me. It's still hotter than but it's not that bad. I can definitely stay here on the boat. I did get dripping on my head from this hatch here. You see there's one little piece there and there's no little piece there. That is broken off and I'm gonna have to pop rivet that back on. I have new hatches though. I have 3 new hatches. That one, this one, and then the one in the forward V-berth. So that's like, you know, probably $4,500 worth of hatches, maybe a little more. I need to replace all of the seals for all of the hatches though. All these Lumar seals are just toast. Everything's leaking. This window leaks a little. This window in the center is just pressed in and it's leaking like a sieve. You can see, I'm really surprised the wood's not water damaged. If this wasn't hardwood, if this was like ply, it would be totally, but it's hardwood and it's not warped at all. But it's been leaking for a long time because you can see all of the damage from the oxidization. So we'll see if I can clean that up and maybe repaint it or something. I'm probably just going to use 5200 to bed it for now, and then rip it out again and use butyl tape. Just because there's nothing else I can do. I can't really get butyl tape here. I do have the contact for a shipping company that I can ship to Miami and then Miami to here, and I just pay the handling fee from to here with boat in transit. So I've almost got an address if you guys want to send me anything, but moreover, I can get batteries from the States. I found a place to get all 8 batteries for $1,200, ship them to there. They charge 4% handling fee, so it's like another $80 or something. So instead of $2,800, it'll cost me $1,300, which for all batteries would be awesome because I still have no power. Okay, peace. Much better today. I'm loving this boat. I think I'm past the hump of like, oh my god, what did I do? Now I'm like, okay, cool. This boat's bitching, man. I just gotta fix a bunch of stuff. Like I bet you the AC's done. Like everything is all the it must just get really hot here because all of this stuff is just, I mean, crumbling off. This is just crumbling off. Anything rubber is done. So that's a lot of crap. Anyway, yeah, part of it. Knew that would happen. Peace. Check it out. She's looking like a boat again. I threw away so much crap. All this stuff. The only thing I'm keeping is the ceramic plates. There's a toaster and stuff up here. But really, there's not much else. This was a 13-inch CRT TV that I gave away, and this was full to the brim of these plastic cups. And I just kept 2 until I can get some glass ones because I hate plastic. Also gave those away. Big, huge bag full of that. Yeah, man. It's looking like a boat again. I mean, it needs to be cleaned, but I think I'm gonna have to replace the Formica. This white Formica is just a bad idea. I don't think it's ever gonna get clean. But that's a job for another day because I'm in damage control mode, not make it look pretty mode.